Friends! She's alive! Alright, here it is. El Junco. Jabronis, what are you doing in there? Get the heck out. I mean it. Whose fucking alguitas are these right here? Come on, fools. Get the hell out of there.
What color is that Maserati?
It's gonna be blue.
Blue or gray?
I think it's blue. You wanna check out the Maserati or what? Huh? I'm gonna go buy a Maserati, boy. You not down or what?
Yes. I mean, if you don't want to go, it's you don't have to.
We're gonna go look at a Cruze. We're gonna go look at a Chevy Cruze. Or my mother-in-law. Sucker.
You really want to go see that Maserati, huh?
Nice. Let's go see the Ferrari. All right. Are you ready for see that Maserati or what?
Might be nice.
It might be nice. I got A impact.
You have yours?
I have my half-inch one right there. I just only brought one socket though, 19.
What if it's not 19?
They're always 19s, homie.
Girlitos, when we look at the car, you're going to tell us if we should buy it or not, okay?
Okay.
What are the expectations for a car like that?
The motor, see if it's crashed or not, and hopefully it runs.
What do you think about the Maserati, son? Little nasty, mini nasty. You like the Maserati? It's a fucking badass Maserati right here.
Oh, the TV's there.
Ooh, look at that Maserati. What keys? Look at the car. Yo, we're at the shop. Let's have a look at the front. Alright, here it is. El Junco. $500. Chevy Cruze needs a turbo. We're gonna fix it up. Wash it up. Wash it up. Put some good tires on it. Put good tires on it. Fix the turbo. Detail it. Put a new lamp. Ooh, just finished putting in a new turbo. We almost there. Almost there. Yeehaw! Friends! She's alive! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Alright, babe. Today's the day we give away this car. Say something. It's for your mother.
I know, but I don't know what to say.
You get all emotional? You cry? You cry easy, dude. Alright, let's get this going.
He did put in a lot of work.
Let's go give away this car because I put a lot of effort into it. We spend a buck or two, not too much, just enough. It's gonna be a great Christmas gift. A little early Christmas gift. What's up, girl? Give me them keys. Alright, I'll see you over there. That car is ugly. Look at this badass truck right here. Badass. It's happening. She's coming out. That's brand new badass.
No. I can do it. No, no, queda mal. Frankie lo compró y lo arregló para ti.
You tell her.
No, porque
¿Cuál, Andy?
mucho trabajo para mí. Oiga, ¿no puedo aceptar eso? No. No. Gracias. Frankie, no. Gracias, pero no. No.
Huevo.
No, mija, no.
What do you think, Damien? You like it?
I think you like me.
Uy, qué emocionante.
All right.